There's a reason Moxy is in nearly every laser clinic, or at least it should be. It's smart, effective, and surprisingly versatile. Welcome back. I'm Alex, a physician assistant of aesthetics, hormone replacement, and wellness at Inertia Medical. I am so excited today to talk to you about one of my favorite treatments, the Moxy laser. So listen up. Moxy is a fractional laser that gently resurfaces the skin to improve tone, texture, and early signs of aging, all without the downtime that comes with more aggressive treatments. It's especially great for anyone noticing early sun damage, pigmentation, or fine textural changes, and unlike many lasers, it's safe for melasma and works beautifully across all skin types. Before we dive in, if you have questions along the way, drop them in the comments. I love hearing your experiences and helping you make sense of all the treatment options out there. And if this kind of content helps you understand your skin better, go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Today, we'll break down exactly how Moxy works, what kind of results you can expect, and how it fits into a long-term, healthy skin plan. It's truly one of my favorite treatments. Let's jump into the purpose and advantages of a Moxy laser treatment. Moxy was designed to do something a lot of lasers can't: rejuvenate, brighten, and even your skin tone without knocking you out of your daily life. It gently treats the surface layers of your skin to target early sun damage, pigmentation, and textural dullness, truly giving you fresher, more radiant skin. Think of it like a refresh for your skin, a way to stay ahead of aging, smooth out roughness, and keep your complexion glowing, without the downtime or intensity of heavy ablative resurfacing lasers. Moxy can be used whether you're in the prevention or correction of your skincare journey. If you're younger and focused on maintaining your skin's glow and slowing the signs of aging, it helps keep your collagen active and your tone even. And if you're already noticing sun damage, fine lines, and uneven texture, Moxy works to repair and resurface, essentially hitting the refresh on your skin. So how does it work, and what's the big whoop about Moxy? It uses a 1927 nanometer wavelength laser. And that is key because this specific wavelength targets water molecules inside your skin cells. When that energy is absorbed, it gently heats the upper layers of the skin in a very controlled way. That heat creates thousands of tiny treatment zones, like little wake-up calls that tell your body, hey, it's time to repair and renew. Your skin responds by making new collagen, turning over old cells, and gradually brightening and smoothing your texture. Now, compare that to BBL, or broadband light, which is a separate light-based technology. BBL uses filters that select ranges of light into shorter visible wavelengths like blue, green, yellow, and orange, red, and into the infrared spectrum. Each of those colors of light is tuned to target something specific in the skin. For example, the melanin in brown spots, or the hemoglobin in blood vessels, and redness. So BBL works by sending energy straight into those pigments to break them down and clear them away. It's powerful, but because targets like pigmentation are variable between Fitzpatrick skin types or fluctuate with sun exposure, it has to be used more carefully on darker complexions or recently tanned skin. Moxy is not limited by this. Moxy takes a totally different approach. Instead of targeting pigment, it targets water, something that's present evenly in every skin tone. That's why it's safe for all complexions, even if you've had recent sun exposure and even if you have melasma. The laser's infrared light gently heats that water, creating controlled micro-injuries that wake up collagen production and strengthen your skin's overall structure and resilience. Here's the really fascinating part. As your skin heals, some of the cells that were holding excess pigment from melanin accumulated within cells due to sun exposure or damage are naturally cleared away. When new, healthier cells replace them, They carry your inherent or natural amount of melanin, which gives your skin that brighter, more evenly and natural tone. Moxy also delivers its energy in a fractional pattern, thousands of microscopic spots, leaving skin untouched in between. That means faster healing, minimal downtime, and that refreshed, healthy glow instead of a heavy, bloody, raw peel. And because it's non-ablative, meaning it heats without vaporizing the surface, you get benefits of smoother, firmer, more radiant skin without the long recovery or risks of stronger lasers. Every micro-injury acts like a gentle reset for your skin, sparking regeneration, leaving you with a naturally luminous result. So what's it actually like to get a Moxy? First, we'll cleanse your skin thoroughly, and we apply numbing cream to help minimize discomfort. Most patients describe Moxy as a warm tingling sensation, kinda like a gentle sparkler passing over the skin. With numbing cream, it's very comfortable and easy to tolerate. At lighter settings, most people barely notice it. And even at higher settings, when we're really pushing for those stronger skin renewing results, it just feels a bit warmer for a few quick passes. The treatment goes by fast, and most patients are pleasantly surprised by how easy the experience actually is when it's all said and done. Appointment times are typically an hour considering time to numb, but laser on skin time is usually only 10 to 15 minutes for a face. But we can also treat necks, chests, and hands. Immediately after, treated skin will feel like you've received a moderate sunburn for about 1 to 2 hours. Then it vanishes. Additionally, you may encounter mild swelling. Nothing scary, just enough to plump out any fine lines and wrinkles, actually. Most patients are able to go right back to their daily activities. I do, which is why, if you see me in the clinic with a red face, that's probably it. After your Moxy treatment, aftercare is simple, but really important if you want the best results. First, you'll want to baby your skin for a few days. That means gentle cleansers, no exfoliants, no retinols, no harsh skincare products, and no acids. Your skin might feel a little rough, like sandpaper, and you may notice some tiny dark spots popping up over the next few days. Those are called MENS. It stands for microscopic epidermal necrotic debris. It's just old damaged pigmentation and skin cells coming to the surface. And that's exactly what we want to see. As your skin naturally exfoliates, those MENS will slough off, revealing fresh, glowing skin underneath. I know you're gonna love it. But hands off the skin. No picking, no scrubbing. Let the healing happen naturally to avoid any risk of irritation or hyperpigmentation changes. And of course, sun protection is non-negotiable. Your new skin is extra sensitive to UV rays, so you'll need a good mineral sunscreen with an SPF and PA+ rating every single day, even if it's cloudy, even if you're inside. Right after the session, your skin will look pink, maybe slightly puffy, like a sunburn. This typically settles down after 24 hours. Over the next few days, your skin will feel rough, like a fine grit sandpaper as those tiny MENS come to the surface. Those small dark spots start to work their way out of the skin. Your complexion will start looking brighter, more even, and smoother, with a healthy glow that continues improving over 1 to 2 weeks. And while you'll see nice results after one treatment, we usually recommend a series of 3 for the best long-term results, spaced about a month apart. It's like training your skin to stay youthful, resilient, and radiant. If you're aiming to maximize your skin rejuvenation results, combining your Moxy with other treatments can be highly effective and generally recommended. Pairing Moxy with broadband light allows us to address multiple skin concerns simultaneously. BBL targets pigmentation and redness, effectively treating sunspots and vascular lesions. Meanwhile, Moxy focuses on improving skin tone and texture, providing a comprehensive approach to skin revitalization. Combining Moxy with a neurotoxin treatment, such as Botox or Dysport, offers another synergistic benefit. Neurotoxins temporarily relax facial muscles, reducing dynamic wrinkles like frown lines or crow's feet. Additionally, this muscle relaxation minimizes facial movements during the skin's recovery process, potentially enhancing overall outcomes by allowing the skin to recover without repetitive motion. By strategically integrating these treatments, we can tailor a plan that addresses your unique skin concerns, leading to more refined and natural-looking results for you. If you're ready to invest in brighter, healthier, more confident skin, or you want to learn more about whether Moxy is right for you, let's talk. Send me a message or book a consultation, and we'll create a personalized plan that fits your skin goals and your lifestyle.